Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about getting rid of the online pop-ups and very filthy ads that are related to the site Flyislife.info. Flyislife.info. So this is a malicious site. It tries to trick visitors into clicking on a special allow button to make them subscribe to the multiple advertisements that will be displayed in the form of push notifications. If you have mistakenly clicked on that allow button, it means that your browser would be hijacked with a lot of ads that are not really decent. Furthermore, this website, Flyislife.info, is extremely filthy. It displays very filthy content. That's why I have hidden this filthy content with this blank WordPad document. Otherwise, if I show the content, YouTube would accuse me of spreading that content, which is a typical nonsense. If you have clicked on allow, you should fix your browser by going to the menu, settings, privacy and security, then go to site settings, go down to permissions and notifications. Pay attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications and remove any of these junk sites from this list. This is the manual way to get your browser fixed, but I also recommend that you thoroughly research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and then start researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.